Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, we are going to talk about how to stop data collection in Firefox Nightly on mobile devices. If you care about privacy and want more control over what information. First, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down slowly until you find the option labeled Data Collection. Tap on it. You will see Technical Data and Daily Usage ping listed there. Turn off Technical Data to stop sending system and performance information. Then turn off Daily Usage ping to prevent daily activity reports from being sent. Your changes are saved automatically and data collection is now disabled. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others who care about privacy, and thanks for watching.